These Korean skincare brands will give you glass skin. As a beauty-obsessed Korean girl, I've been watching my relatives maintain their flawless complexions using Korean skincare products ever since I could remember. These days, the country's ampoules, serums, and sheet masks have infiltrated everyone's bathrooms in one way or another. It seemed like everyone stateside was catching on to Korean products and the Korean 10-step skincare routine all at once, partly thanks to TikTok and the educational efforts of Korean retail platforms like SokoGlam and Peach and Lily. K-beauty really has become known for pushing the envelope, from their unique textures, advanced and effective ingredient formulations, to their packaging, formats, and affordable price points. K-beauty leaves no stone unturned, and it's why skincare brands are pivoting to formulating and manufacturing their products there too, says Charlotte Cho, founder of SokoGlam. The products have persisted in our consciousness because we know they actually work. When you see outsized results, you share with your friends, and you continue to use and love the products, and I've seen Korean skincare take off and sustain itself as a standout category in the US for many years now because of this, adds Peach and Lily founder Alicia Yoon. Whether you're a bona fide Korean beauty connoisseur or haven't dipped your toe into the world of snail, mucin, and glass skin quite yet, there's always something new to discover. We drew from our personal experiences as beauty editors and the rich knowledge of our experts to compile this guide to the 12 best Korean skincare brands killing the game today. First Care Activating Serum A6. Sulhwasu is one of those brands that feels like it's been around forever, and it's only grown in popularity. It's a favorite of my grandma's, and she's virtually wrinkle-free. The brand is a classic that I love because of their potent use of ginseng, which is a powerful adaptogen that multitasks hard for skin, delivering benefits ranging from energizing to increasing glow to brightening to visibly firming. The First Care Activating Serum is timeless and brings instant vitality and glow to the skin, says Yoon. The serum is also an Ellie First Class Beauty and Future of Beauty Award winner. Best for all skin types. Sulhwasu rating, 4.8 out of 5 stars. An LA editor says, unless I'm testing a product for a story, Sulhwasu First Activating Serum is my go-to travel serum of choice. I really love to layer serums at home, particularly hyaluronic acid and liquid peptides. However, when I travel, I want to take one anti-aging serum that covers it all, so I have more room for all my outfits. Ginseng, the star ingredient in all Sulhwasu products, helps fight inflammation, minimizes wrinkles, boosts collagen production, and more. My Aunt Maggie wanted to update her skincare routine, so I suggested this product. This serum is great at preventing signs of aging as well as minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, which are natural to get as we age. Danielle James, Digital Beauty Director. Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Founded in 2013, right before the K-beauty boom, this brand has since garnered internet and TikTok fame for its simple and affordable skincare solutions. While you may balk at first at applying snail mucin on your face, you'll be a believer as soon as you try this essence. Best for all skin types. SokoGlam rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars. An LA editor says, I've been using this product on and off for nearly a decade now. There's nothing quite like it to boost moisture in my skin and quench it when I feel particularly dry. It may feel a bit sticky at first, but it absorbs so quickly that I never hesitate to reach for it when I need it. Carol Lee, Elle.com Associate Beauty E-commerce writer. Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. Belif's lineup consists of products designed to hydrate all types of skin. Even oily skin can benefit from extra moisture, as excess sebum production can indicate dehydration. The Aqua Balm Hydrating Sleeping Mask ensures that skin stays plump and free from dry spots while you get your beauty sleep. Best for dehydrated skin. Ulta rating, 4.6 out of 5 stars. An LA editor says, there's a phrase in Korean that basically translates to filled with moisture. That's exactly how my skin feels when I use any product from Belif. My aunt loves this product in particular so much that she uses it as a night cream every single evening. Carol Lee. Lip Sleeping Mask by Laneige. Priced at $24, shop now. Laneige is another brand whose main focus is moisturizing all of the skin on your face. But perhaps no product has helped put the brand on the map quite like the Lip Sleeping Mask, which bursts with nourishing shea butter, muru butter, and coconut oil to keep your pout looking its best. Best for all skin types. Laneige rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars. An LA editor says, In my 20-something years of life, I've left no lip balm or gloss unturned. Carmex was my balm of choice up until I entered college and wanted something a little more mature but still easy on a college kid's pockets. Then came the MAC obsession. But times changed, and lip masks became a thing, thanks to Laneige's lip sleeping mask. Dousing my lips in the mask, whether overnight or throughout the day, leaves them feeling pillow-soft and smooth. Even better, the mask imparts a subtle glow reminiscent of my favorite beauty supply store lip glosses. So really, I'm getting the best of both worlds. Narisha Penrose, Elle.com Beauty Commerce Editor. Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Mask by Dr. Jart Plus, priced at $10. Shop now. Dr. Jart Plus concentrates on gentle formulas that support the skin barrier and reduce irritation with science-backed ingredients like ceramides and silica. There are too many excellent products to choose from, but this sensitive skin-friendly sheet mask is an Elle favorite due to its soothing superpowers. Best for all skin types. Sephora rating 4.7 out of 5 stars. An Elle editor says, "When my skin is feeling especially irritated or red, I know I can rely on Dr. Jart Plus products to calm it down. This mask hydrates and soothes my skin every time I use it. I don't foresee myself giving it up anytime soon." Carol Lee. Is on my skin. A glass skin discovery kit. See peachandlily.com, $39. Shop now. Yoon took Korean skincare knowledge synthesized after curating and learning about the best products on the market to develop formulas that make achieving the smooth, dewy skin of your dreams easier than ever. If you're looking for an easy foundational routine to achieve glass skin goals, start with the popular Glass Skin Discovery Kit, Yoon says. Best for all skin types. Peach and Lily rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars. A Peach and Lily reviewer says, "This has transformed my skin and my son's as well. I wanted to try on 2 different ages to ensure efficacy, and was I ever pleased. We both have more hydrated, luminous skin without excess oil or irritation. Absolutely amazing routine." Living Cleansing Balm. See SokoGlam.com, $38. Shop now. Then I Met You is the culmination of years of trying thousands of Korean skincare products. Cho took that experience and created a line that took inspiration from the innovation she saw. The Living Cleansing Balm has won 15 Industry and People's Choice Awards in a matter of a few years, and is our best-selling product because of its luxurious, sorbet soft texture, Cho says. Best for all skin types. Soko Glam rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars. A Soko Glam reviewer says, "I've repurchased this cleansing balm countless times and make sure I have an extra and travel size handy. I love it. It takes off all the products and dirt from the day and has an amazing smooth feel. I don't have to keep working to remove it with my cleanser. It doesn't make my vision as blurry as other oil cleansers do. It's also so satisfying to use every night." Essence Toner. See Amazon.com, $19. Shop now. This brand has been around for decades, gaining popularity in the US over the last decade for its clean, gentle formulas that always keep the skin barrier in mind. The Essence Toner helps revive and reset skin when it's irritated or tired, Yoon adds. If you're unfamiliar with the category, a toner should be applied right after cleansing and before the rest of your skincare products. Best for sensitive skin. Amazon rating, 4.6 out of 5 stars. An Amazon reviewer says, "This is an incredible toner serum product. It's a nice, thick, watery substance that sinks really nicely into the skin when applied, and it doesn't leave any stickiness or strange texture behind. I also love the slightly tightening feeling you get when it is on the skin." Celus Aqualine Solution. Available at peachandlily.com for $25. Shop now. Korean makeup artist Kwon is highly sought after by A-list celebrities for her ability to enhance natural beauty. One of her philosophies is that makeup starts with the state of your skin and how you're taking care of it, which is why she joined forces with scientists and doctors to formulate this line of deeply nourishing and hydrating products. The result? Skin with a next-level dewy glow. The Celus Aqualine solution includes fermented squalane for deeper hydration and acacia to focus on aquaporins for amping up hydration, explains Yoon. Best for all skin types. Peach and Lily rating. 4.7 out of 5 stars. A Peach and Lily reviewer says, "A little goes a long way, and it only takes a drop or two to cover your whole face. Didn't irritate my ridiculously sensitive skin, and completely stopped the flakiness I've been dealing with for ages in just a couple days." HR Booster H, available at Amazon.com for $132. Shop now. Each of this Korean skincare brand's products is clinically tested to ensure efficacy, and the line includes products to address every concern from acne to wrinkles. When you're using such effective formulas, you want to make sure you're getting the most out of them, which is where this device comes in. After applying your favorite product, use the HR Booster H to help push it deeper into the skin. Best for all skin types. Amazon rating 4.3 out of 5 stars. An Amazon reviewer says, "I had been reading about this device for quite a while and finally decided to give it a go. I have to say, it does help the products absorb faster and better. It does have a pulsating mode that feels like you are getting a facial massage. Overall, I am very pleased with my purchase." Miracle Moisture 777 ampoules, available at Amazon.com for $135. Shop now. Luxury skincare brand. Ohoi has been around for decades, but it is finally making its foray into the US market. Its products are hailed for their brightening and anti-aging properties, and many of them are geared toward addressing melasma and dark spots. The Miracle Moisture line features ceramides and peptides to plump skin and strengthen the skin barrier. Best for all skin types, especially mature skin. Amazon rating 4.6 out of 5 stars. An Amazon reviewer says, "I can honestly say that, more than any other skincare product I have tried, this has made a huge difference in the texture and hydration of my skin." Meet the experts. Charlotte Cho is the founder of Soko Glam. Alicia Yoon is the founder of Peach and Lily. Can you use Korean and non-Korean skincare products together in your skincare routine? It's an unequivocal yes from us. Korean skincare is great for all ages, skin types, and skin tones, and you can certainly mix and match across different brands regardless of origin. In fact, many of your non-Korean skincare products are likely now manufactured in Korea, says Cho. What actually matters are what's inside the products and their purposes. It's more about the specific formulas and ingredients. There are some ingredients, like using too many harsh, active ingredients all at once, that shouldn't be mixed, whether that's across Korean or non-Korean skincare categories, Yoon warns. Just make sure to space out your actives and consult a dermatologist if you have any doubts. What would be the best way to go about introducing Korean skincare products to your routine? There are over 20,000 Korean beauty brands. Narrowing down what Korean skincare product is right for you is much like approaching any other skincare decision, Yoon says. She advises figuring out your skin type and goals first, and tracking which ingredients agree with your skin and which ones you should avoid. That said, if you're not using an essence, that's a great place to start because it can take your skincare routine to another level as it enhances absorption of other products and drenches skin with hydration. And when skin is well hydrated, so many other skin issues can be improved, she adds. Meanwhile, Cho recommends experimenting with a double cleanse first. That is, cleansing your skin first with a balm or oil, and following up with a regular cleanser to really ensure that you remove all the makeup, SPF, and pollutants on your face. Good skincare starts with a clean base, and there is nothing more effective than an oil cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser to remove impurities. That's why we have a whole category for double cleansing on Soko Glam, she explains. Why trust Elle Beauty? As a leading publisher of fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content, Elle.com is committed to highlighting the best products in various categories by personally testing the latest and most innovative products, interviewing countless experts, and vetting customer-loved items. For this piece, beauty writer Carol Lee spoke with trusted Korean skincare experts about Korean skincare brands. Lee also searched the internet for top-rated Korean skincare products and brands, perused reviews for dozens of popular options, and evaluated each on their features and customer reviews.